Lady T's Things That Bling DIY videos. Let me take this moment to thank everyone who has already subscribed. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? Also, I'd like to ask you to like this video and share it so others may enjoy the crafting process. Don't forget to like. Give me a big thumbs up. All right, so as you can see, I'm doing a diva head. I call her Diva Queen. And I think you like the end results. Now you see I have my Diva Queen on a canvas. And I printed the picture on my Epson 7710. Actually, that picture is on sublimation. I did not sublimate the canvas though, because I tried it earlier and just didn't work out for me. So I just used her as she is, and I'm putting several different types of flowers in her hair. I have roses, I have red roses, white roses, lighter roses, darker roses, and I have some flowers that have bling in it, like for Christmas, but she's not a Christmas diva queen. She's just a beautiful diva queen. I also put some carnations in there as well. And there's another little flower in there. I have no idea what it's called. So this video is dedicated to Miss Ruth, because when I showed the preview of this, or no, I was doing a live talking about doing this, and she asked me could I glue them on, and I told her no, because they're going to come off. However, I did glue these on with Gorilla Glue hot sticks. Gorilla Glue hot sticks. And I used a generous amount, and they shouldn't come off. Now previously I was using a canvas and I drilled holes into it, because this is one of those hard canvases, and I drilled holes in it. And then I was like, ugh. So that's when Miss Ruth came up and said, can you glue it on? So I did Miss Ruth's version, because the back of the other canvas was just horrible, and I didn't want to present it like that. So here I'm just taking you through the process of what I did, and it's really no rhyme or reason to it. You can do it however you want to do it. And you see those candles sitting there. That was a centerpiece that I had done for Christmas. Seems like I like red, doesn't it? I guess I do. But I made that centerpiece for Christmas. So Rhonda was here when I started doing this diva, and she said, why don't you use the flowers on the centerpiece that you have downstairs in the drawer, since you're not using it right now? Well, it was a good idea. Thanks, Rhonda. Because it gave me a wider selection of flowers. So again, this is not a Christmas Queen Diva, but if you wanted to use it for Christmas, hey, so be it. I'm actually going to do another diva, and I'm going to try to get some more flowers from the Dollar Tree. I have some pink flowers, but I just don't think I have enough of them. Yeah, I definitely don't have enough of them. But I have flowers around here somewhere, because I put them away, but I just can't seem to find them. So maybe that'll be one of the things that Rhonda and I do today. I hunt for my flowers, because I have a lot of them, and I don't really want to go to the Dollar Tree and pay for more when I already have some. So I'm using the poinsettias, the leaves to the poinsettias up at the top. Now that's definitely a Christmas flower, but I needed to do something to fill in the space, because I was actually running out of flowers, and the poinsettias don't look right on this Queen Diva, because of the way they're made. They're spaced out too far, and it's a little bit too big. So I just said, let me rip off a couple of the leaves to fill in that space. And it worked out well. So there are 3 white flowers in there, there are 3 white flowers in there, and 2 of them are roses and 1 is a carnation. I should have put the carnation in the middle, but I didn't. So one thing about doing these is that you have total discretion. You can do these any way you want. They don't have to be a certain way. You can use flowers. You can use the what do you call this? The mesh, the wire mesh. You can use the tulle, Tulle. I guess that's how you say it. The tulle on there. I've never tried the tulle yet, but I've seen some people do some of these things, and they were absolutely stunning. So you see me making her necklace. She has a nice size neck too. I like her neck. So there were 2 lines there because the original picture has the 2 lines. I guess that was indicating her necklace, but the lines were faded and you really couldn't see them. And I had to do something to decorate her bottom part, well, her neck and her shoulders, so it just wouldn't be sitting there looking crazy. So I'm using my bling wrap that I got from Totally Dazzled, and no, I'm not sponsored by them. However, I'm using that bling wrap. Of course, I am Lady T, things that bling, so you know I had to put some bling up in there somewhere. I was cutting single pieces and they kept dropping. That's why I had to bust out the gem picker upper. Look at her. Gorgeous. Just taking off the glue stick webs. My husband was on the phone, so I showed it to him. Now I'm putting on some stones, well, gems. I don't know what these are called. Let's see. Every time I start doing a video, I start yawning for no reason at all. These are called decorative fillers. I believe I got these from Michael's. They're by Ashland. Decorative fillers. That's what these are. And I'm just filling in some space because I was not trying to let that much of her skin show. But I just felt like I needed to add some more bling. And then after I did that, now everything that I've done has been with Gorilla Glue. Every single thing is with Gorilla Glue. So the next part that you're going to see is, I hope I didn't edit that part out. Okay, that's me putting on the decorative mesh. Now somebody might say, why in the world would you put that down there? Well, I put it down there because I needed her to have a dress. And I didn't have any particular material to put on there. So I didn't want to just throw anything on there. She is a diva queen, and she's a queen diva anyway. She can't be looking halfway. So I just followed my artistic mind and used it for that. See, you can always be different. You don't have to follow the crowd as far as, you know, a particular style. You can just use the same image and just make it your own. And I did purchase this from Etsy. So and I can just imagine her with a nice long dress on and these puffs at the top. Most elegant, may I say. And I never put gloves on or anything when I'm using glue, which is really not smart. I've said this over and over again. I don't know what the problem is. But the hot glue came through for me. The hot glue came through for me. So I'm just trying to fill in the spaces around there. I could have cut them a little shorter, and I realized that after I was done. But listen, this brings drama to the beautiful Queen Diva. As you can see, I was working it, honey. I was working it. Working it, yes. Y'all, I really didn't know that video that was playing. I thought when I set up my camera, I actually thought that was not in view. I hope I don't get in trouble for that. Because when I'm crafting, I have to have on some type of sound, either music or television. Now you can see I'm filling it in with black paint because had I known I was going to use these decorative mesh, I would have painted the canvas beforehand, but I didn't know. So when I put one down, I just kept on with the flow. But I'm using one of my brushes from the Dollar Tree. You see how long that handle is? And if you can remember from the haul I did the other day, I was talking about the Dollar Tree sponges versus the sponges I got from Walmart. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. All right, Lady T is signing out.